hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area, high, VAH, 6,586, the Emperor's Podium. Price is currently besieging this level. A breach here signals the bulls have won the favor of the gods. Value area low, VAL, 6,555, the Gate of the Dead. A slip below this sandy threshold invites the lions, bears, to feast. Point of control, POC, 6,578, the center of the Colosseum, where the fiercest hand-to-hand combat raged all day. Support zone, 6,553 to 6,555, a phalanx of buyers locking shields to protect the lower flank. Resistance zone, 6,586 to 6,588, a high stone wall guarded by sellers. Scaling this requires immense momentum. Single prince escape paths, lower, 6,550 to 6,552, a dark tunnel leading to the Hippodrome. Venturing here risks a swift execution. Upper, 6,590 to 6,592, the Victory Gate. If price sprints through here, expect a chariot race to the upside. Market context. Today's spectacle in the E-mini S&P 500 arena has been nothing short of a legendary reversal. The day began with the bulls being thrown into the pit as sentiment plunged deep into the red. However, a miraculous gladiators rally occurred, fighting back from the depths of the dungeon to challenge the Emperor's box at the highs. The profile is volatile, but balancing at the upper edge, threatening a mutiny against the recent downtrend. 3-day campaign records. November 18th, POC 6,659, VAL 6,631, VAH 6,680. The legions held the high ground. November 19th, POC 6646, VAL 6633, VA H6670, a defensive skirmish, barely holding the line. November 20th, POC 6746, VAL 6597, VAH 6754, a chaotic battle that ended in a retreat from the northern provinces. The empire has been losing territory, falling from 6,746 down to today's levels. However, the massive defense at 6,555 today suggests the Praetorian Guard has stepped in. We are currently besieging the VAH, looking to reclaim lost glory. Volume analysis, cumulative, volume delta, CID, breakdown. Session open, CVD, negative 3,582 contracts. The games began with the crowd thumbing down the bulls. Intraday low, CVD low, negative 15,024, a slaughter in the morning trade. Hope seemed lost. Current CVD, 3,825, net positive, 7,407 from open. Interpretation, a stunning turn of events. The crowd shifted from bloodlust to adulation, buying over 18,000 contracts net from the lows. This aggressive buying suggests a powerful short squeeze, or a new alliance of buyers entering the arena. Risk management considerations? Long trades, entry zone on a successful siege of VAH 6,586, or a defensive stand at POC 6,578. Stop loss below the POC at 6,570 to avoid the melee, or use average true range ATR approximately 12 points. Profit target 6,600, a round number milestone, followed by 6,630. Short trades. Entry zone. Only if the attack on VAH fails, false breakout, and price retreats into the sands. Stop loss above the breakout point at 6,595. Profit target, return to the center at POC 6,578, then the lower gate at VAL 6,555. Position sizing, do not wager the entire Imperial Treasury on one gladiator. Risk maximum 1 to 2%. The arena is slippery with volatility today. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, the Spartacus breakout. The Bulls smash through the Emperor's podium at 6,586. Setup. Enter long above 6,586. Stop at 6,580. Target 6,600 plus. Follow the roar of the CVD. Scenario B, the Emperor's rejection. Price attempts to scale 6,586, but is beaten back by the guards. Setup. Short the failure at 6,586 to 6,588. Stop above 6,595. Target POC and then VAL. Scenario C, the sandpit chop. Price stagnates around the POC 6,578. Setup. Holster your weapon, the sword. Do not engage in the messy center. Wait for a push to the edges. Scenario D, the trapdoor. Price fails to hold the recovery and plunges back to 6,555. Setup. Short below 6,553. Stop 6,560. Target the intraday lows near 6,540. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.